Hey everyone, welcome back to another 2-Minute Tuesday episode of Bald Prairie Real Estate, where we're going to talk about one real estate related topic in 2 minutes or less. Today, we're talking about ways you can improve your credit score. Let's put 2 minutes on the clock right now and get into it. This was a video topic that a lot of you guys requested me to do, ways you can improve your credit score. Let's quickly chat about what you need for a credit score to even be qualified to buy a house in Canada. You're going to have to be above 600. Realistically, probably 620 is like your absolute bare minimum. 640 is a more realistic number, and 680 to 700 type scores, that's going to get you your best rates. Now, these numbers are not set in stone. They are flexible. They're very much dependent on what your financial situation is. So aiming for that mid 600s to 700 is going to be where you want to be. Let's talk about, though, if you have a below 600 credit score, what you can do. First off, reduce and remove all of the outstanding bills in collections. So anything you have in collections, get rid of that, get it paid off, and make sure it gets reported to the credit reporting agencies like Equifax and TransUnion. Not all collections companies will do this automatically for you once you've paid that bill. Always keep maintaining your payments, paying your minimum payments on time. Late payments or payments past due are going to negatively impact your credit score. And reduce your overall credit utilization. So that is, how much available credit are you using? Say an example of you have borrowed or you can borrow $100 and you have borrowed 80 of that currently right now, or that's what you're using. That's an 80% credit utilization. If you can reduce that to say 50% or below, that is going to really improve your credit score. So those are the things you can do if you have bad credit. What if you have pretty good credit, but you want to improve it so you can get those better rates? Well, keep doing what you're doing. Keep making all your payments on time, reduce that credit utilization if you have any, and don't cancel any good lines of credit. So maybe you've had a credit card for 5 or 6 years and you don't put anything on it. Keep that, because credit history also applies to your credit score. So don't get rid of those credit cards. Maybe if you only have, say, one credit product, like one line of credit or one credit card, you could look at getting an additional one, which will reduce your overall credit utilization, because you've gone from, say, having $100 of credit available to $150 of credit available to you. Those are the things you can do. I'm way over time on this 2-Minute Tuesday, but that's some things you can do to improve your credit score. Did you like learning about real estate in Canada in 2 minutes or less? Well, I got more videos just like that right here, the 2-Minute Tuesday playlist, where you can learn about real estate in 2 minutes or less. What about if you're a first-time home buyer? You probably got more in-depth questions. Well, I got more in-depth videos right here dedicated to you, a first-time home buyer. As always, guys, thanks very much for watching.